Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate open house invitations with Eventbrite step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Eventbrite website. Log into your Eventbrite account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the registration process. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button located at the top right of the page. Fill in your event details, including the event title, date, and location for the open house. Under the Event Type section, choose In-Person as your event type. Add a description that highlights the features of the property and what attendees can expect. Upload an eye-catching image of the property to attract potential visitors. Set the event start and end times, ensuring they align with your open house schedule. Scroll down to the Tickets section and choose your ticket type. For an open house, you can select free or create a no-cost ticket option for the attendees. Adjust the ticket quantity if needed, especially if you expect a limited number of attendees. Proceed to the Checkout Options section and customize it according to your preferences. You can choose to collect attendee information like name and email, which can be useful for follow-ups. Review your event details to ensure everything is accurate and appealing. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your event live. Eventbrite will now generate a unique link for your open house event. Copy this link to share it through various channels, such as social media or email. Next, navigate to the Invite section to send invitations directly through Eventbrite. You can upload a list of contacts or invite guests individually by entering their email addresses. Utilize the template provided by Eventbrite for your invitation message, personalizing it if desired. Finally, schedule reminder emails to be sent to attendees a day or two before the event. This will help ensure that your open house is well attended and memorable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.